AI in July 2025 isn't just evolving, it's exploding. From labs that think for themselves to medical AIs diagnosing at human level, from code that writes better code to geopolitical chip diplomacy, this month has been packed with jaw-dropping breakthroughs. If you're wondering where the future is headed, you found the right video. Let's dive into 5 AI breakthroughs this July that are truly changing the game. 1. Self-driving labs are now real. Imagine a scientific lab that doesn't just automate experiments but decides what to test. At North Carolina State University and MIT, researchers unveiled robotic systems that can conduct over 3,000 experiments per day, compared to just 100 by human researchers. These robotic labs use reinforcement learning to explore unknown chemical spaces and optimize reactions in real time. Why does this matter? Because it slashes the time it takes to discover materials for things like solar panels, batteries, and even cancer drugs, from months down to mere days. This isn't just a cool automation trick. It could fundamentally change the pace of scientific discovery across multiple fields. 2. AI drug discovery hits warp speed. In the pharmaceutical world, timelines are brutal. Developing a single drug can take up to 12 years. But that's changing fast. In July, an AI platform developed by scientists in the US identified potential treatments for a rare type of cancer in just 72 hours. Not weeks, not months, hours. And that's not all. DeepMind released updates to its Alpha Genome project, a new AI system trained to interpret human DNA sequences that were once considered dark matter. It can now predict gene expression, protein folding behavior, and the impact of genetic mutations with startling accuracy. 3. Google's MedGemma. This isn't just another large language model, it's a purpose-built medical AI that can analyze both text and visual data. The flagship 27 billion parameter version can interpret radiology reports, patient symptoms, and medical images with performance on par with real doctors. In fact, it achieved 87.7% accuracy on multiple clinical benchmarks. That's borderline diagnostic level. There's also a smaller 4 billion parameter version designed for use on mobile devices or in remote clinics. 4. AlphaEvolve. Enter AlphaEvolve from DeepMind. It's a reinforcement learning-based agent that takes a programming problem, generates multiple candidate solutions, tests them, and evolves better ones iteratively, just like biological evolution. In head-to-head testing, AlphaEvolve matched or beat human-written code in 75% of programming challenges. Incredibly, the code it writes isn't just functional. It often includes new algorithmic tricks that humans didn't think of. We've seen LLMs that auto-complete your code. This one? It reinvents how we code entirely. 5. Nvidia's AI diplomacy and China push. In July, Nvidia became the world's most valuable company, reaching a 4 trillion market cap, largely off the back of AI demand. But here's where it gets political. CEO Jensen Huang visited Beijing this month to strengthen Nvidia's AI footprint in China. Despite US restrictions, Nvidia is doubling down with its new H2O chips, specially designed to comply with export controls while still powering AI models. Chinese companies are racing to adopt these chips, and Nvidia's CUDA platform remains a critical layer in global AI infrastructure. This is more than just chip sales. It's AI diplomacy. That wraps up 5 of the biggest AI breakthroughs in July 2025. From labs that run themselves to AI doctors and evolutionary coders, the future is unfolding faster than ever. Which breakthrough blew your mind the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want more cutting-edge updates like this, hit that like button and subscribe. We break down the future every week.